On this Make It Once video, making Marty less gross. So I gotta start the process of cleaning. So I looked on YouTube. I'm not a big into cleaning. I'm not gonna detail this thing. It needs some stuff replaced. But what I did is I just picked out some of the products that have good reviews. This O&R, everybody loves it for the outside and even on the inside. Jay Leno talks about Quick Glow for all the chrome bits. I just picked this one out based on reviews. Car Guys Plastic Restore. I think this one's pretty good for like soft plastics and vinyls. This is Simple Green, and that's just straight up water. People forget about how well water does as a solvent, especially for dirt and things that are loose. And it doesn't leave a residue as long as it's very clean water. So this is actually just rainwater. Just rained last weekend. I collected some in a bucket. And rainwater it has a very, very low mineral content, so that actually helps dissolve things. So I'm just gonna start cleaning up the car and see what works. Might have to pull in some other tools. Just keep going, see if I can get rid of this smell. This is just water. Quick side note, when we pushed Marty into the side yard through the gate, Mrs. Make It Once was the one who sat in it to steer it, and when she got out, she said she almost threw up because it smelled so bad. So I became quite motivated to clean it up. So let's take a look. This is degreaser, Simple Green degreaser. This is the no rinse O&R, and this is just straight up water.